Imagine this, you're at an auction, your heart starts beating faster, your hands get a little sweaty, and adrenaline surges every time someone bids higher. At that moment, your body is reacting as if you were in a dangerous situation. But in reality, the only thing at stake is money. That precisely is what physioeconomics is about, a discipline that studies how our bodily responses, our pulse, blood pressure, sweating, even pupil dilation, influence our economic decisions. And today we're going to discover how it works, with striking examples that might make you think your body knows more about money than your own head. Chapter 1. Money and the body, an unexpected bond. For decades, economists believed that humans made decisions rationally. We compared prices, analyzed options, and chose what was best for us. But the reality is very different. Recent studies show that when we talk about money, our body reacts as if it were in danger or seeking reward. The heart beats faster when we think we are going to lose. The pupils dilate at the sight of a potential big win. Blood pressure rises when we feel that someone is cheating us in a negotiation. In other words, our body speaks before our mind thinks. Chapter 2. Amazing experiments. Experiment 1. The ultimatum game. In this game, one participant receives $10 and decides how much to give to another person. If the second person accepts, they both keep the money. If they reject, they both lose everything. Logic would say, it's better to accept any amount, even if it's just $1. But in practice, most people reject unfair offers. And the most interesting thing is that as they do so, their cortisol, the stress hormone, levels skyrocket. The body reacts with outrage even before the mind processes the injustice. Experiment 2. Investors under pressure. A study of stock traders measured their heart rates during high-risk sessions. It was found that when their heart rate rose too high, they made more impulsive decisions, often bad ones. Biology literally affected the financial outcome. Experiment 3. The consumer's pupils. When we see a product we desire, our pupils dilate slightly. Companies know this. Some marketing experiments use cameras to analyze this and predict which product will be most successful. Chapter 3. What your body reveals when you spend money. It's probably happened to you. You see something expensive you want to buy, but as you approach the checkout, your heart beats faster. That's no coincidence. The pain of paying is real. Neuroscience and physiology studies show that spending money activates the same brain areas as physical pain. And here's the catch. When we pay by card or mobile phone, that pain is less than with cash. So we end up spending more without even realizing it. Chapter 4. How physioeconomics affects our daily lives. Physioeconomics isn't just theory, it's present at key moments in our lives. Salary negotiations. Your pulse can betray your nerves and cause you to accept less money than you deserve. Investments. Physical stress can lead you to panic sell during a market crash. Consumption. The physical thrill of seeing discounts or promotions can make you overspend. In all these cases, your body is influencing your personal economy. Chapter 5. Can we use physioeconomics to our advantage? The big question is, can you train your body to make better financial decisions? Experts believe so. Mindfulness and breathing. By reducing physical stress, we avoid impulsive decisions. Be aware of the pain of paying. Paying in cash makes us more responsible with money. Measuring body reactions. Some apps and devices are now studying your pulse to alert you when you're making financial decisions under stress. Can you imagine a smartwatch that tells you, "Don't buy now, you're nervous"? It may sound like science fiction, but it's already in development. Chapter 6. The future of physioeconomics. Physioeconomics is still in its infancy, but it promises to revolutionize personal finance and marketing. Banks and insurers could measure your financial risk not only by your income, but also by your physiological reactions. Online stores may adjust prices based on how your body reacts to a sale. Even governments could use this data to design more effective economic policies. The big question is, how far do we want companies to know how our bodies react? In conclusion, physioeconomics reminds us of something fascinating. We are not rational machines calculating every economic decision. We are human, with beating hearts, sweaty hands, and brains that react before thinking. The next time you buy something, invest, or make a financial decision, ask yourself, are you deciding this? Or has your body already decided for you? Tell me in the comments, have you ever felt like your body played a trick on you with money?